What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect from the price section. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this very point, and I've told you that we finished the third wave on this scale, and I've told you that we might land at the levels of 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65. And these levels might be your accumulation points. And as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick this first level, and from this point, with the good conviction of volume, we bounced to the upside. So congratulations to all of you who took this trade. You're up for about 6.5% already, and I have to say that I nailed all the accumulation points with this ticker, and our previous accumulation point was right here at the bottom of the second wave, and from this point you might be up for about 16%, and the previous accumulation point was right here, and it was falling bullish wedge, and from this level you potentially might be up for about 21%, and it is a very good asset for now, and it is very bullish. So I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. NIO Incorporated designs, develops, manufactures and sells small electric vehicle in China. They also sell these vehicles in Norway and about to start their sales in Germany and potentially in Netherlands. And for now this company has a total market cap of $63.71 billion. They have a revenue of $4.27 billion with a revenue growth of 182.3%. Mind-blowing revenue growth. They have a negative net income of $1.27 billion, and they have a total cash position of $7.26 billion. But this information is a little bit outdated, and I covered it multiple times in my previous videos. And for now their total cash position is more than $9 billion. That's why from the financial standpoint this company is very stable, and I covered it multiple times that even from fundamentals point this company is also very stable because they increase the number of their swap stations, and battery as a service business model is very smart model because they will drastically increase their profitability and their margin because of this model, and I covered it also in my previous video. So let's continue with the latest news, and let me show you this one. On October 21st, on CNV Post, we have this article. NIO says swap station facing demolition will be relocated and rebuilt. And I covered in my previous video that one of their newest swap stations was demolished by officials, and here is the solution of this problem. The forced demolition of one of NIO's battery swap stations seemed to have finally been resolved. NIO said in a statement today that it has decided to relocate and rebuild the battery swap station after active communication with the city administration in Kaifeng, central China. NIO said the local government highly recognizes the company's development in the charging and battery swap field and will provide full support in terms of policy support, reasonable site selection and high level of operation. Interesting. And why did they demolish their previous station, I wonder? The construction of NIO's charging and battery swap network will be incorporated into the overall plan for the construction of the area, according to a statement from the company. So the problem is 100% solved, and I have to say that in my opinion, it wasn't the main issue of the company, and for now this company doesn't have any weak points. That's why, in my opinion, it is one of the best contenders on the EV market to be at least in your watch list. So, and let's continue with this news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on October 21st, and it's titled NIO attracts attention after a high altitude test of ET7 model. And let me quote you these bullets. Goldman Sachs reiterates a buy rating and price target of $56 on NIO after the Chinese automaker completed a 20-day high-altitude test for the ET7 model along the Sichuan-Tibet Expressway. NIO tested the model's air suspension system, steering system, braking system, EDS system and power cell during the test in the mountains. The highly anticipated ET7 model is expected on the market in China in Q1 of 2022 and by the end of the year in Germany and Norway. NIO has previously said that it might establish local production facilities in Europe or collaborate with the local automakers through joint ventures if demand is strong for the sedan. The ET7 is available for pre-order in China, and this price target of $56, let me show you, it is 100% confluence with our target right here. We have $55.6 and $56 is the previous swing high. So everybody is looking on the price charts, and that is why technical analysis is extremely important as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the next news. On CNEV Post on October 22nd, we have this article that is titled "Chinese EV stocks have quietly entered so-called technical bull market." And here is the subtitle. BYD, XPeng and Li Auto have all entered what is called a technical bull market, and NIO is close to it. And I have to say, NIO is already there, and I will show you why I think so. And let me quote you this. Without realizing it, investors have been in a bullish mood for leading Chinese electric vehicle stocks for half a month, driving their performance into what is called a technical bull market. Generally speaking, a stock or index is said to have entered a technical bull market when it has risen 20% or more from its recent lows. And let me show you this. This is our recent lowest point, and it is at $33.11. And from this point to our current price, the asset is up for more than 23%, about 24%. This means NIO also entered a technical bull market, and this is also a very good sign from the investor standpoint, because for now this company has more chances to attract more attention from potential institutional investors who might enter the position with this stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should you do if you want to enter the position with the NIO? If you want to enter the position for the short period of time and to have some short-term profits, it is not the best point for now, because if you want to enter your long position, we are about to hit or already hit this previous stop. This means we are at the range of resistance, and on top of that, let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement, we have following price targets. And right here, the most probable level where we might hit with the top of our fifth wave is 0.786 extension level at the price point of roughly $43. So from our current price to this first target, we have not more than 4.5%, and it is not the best risk to reward ratio, because when we hit this top, when we hit the top of our fifth wave, we will officially complete this entire structure. This means we have to have a retracement, and we have to retrace the entire movement from the very bottom to the very top. But if you are a long-term investor and you want to invest in this company for the period from several months to potentially years, let me show you on a daily time frame, and let me show you indicators that we are very bullish with RSI. We are pointing up, and the MACD also is sticking to the upside, and we don't have any weaknesses in the momentum. This means you can accumulate your position, and you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. And what are the targets? Let me switch again to hourly time frame. And right here, if I pull this tool from our current price to our previous swing high, it is not right here, it is right here. In my opinion, we might have this range of our potential price target, because if we will have an extension in fifth wave, our next probable target is about 47.82, and it is the confluence level with this previous swing high, and from our current price we might be up for about 14.5%. And to this price target that Morgan Stanley sets to this stock and that I covered in my previous video, we have about 33% to this target. So we are very bullish for now, but we have to keep an eye on the price action, because when we hit the top of our fifth wave, we will have a retracement, and then I will do another update to project some new targets and to project some potential price action. So, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!